Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Poling. Today I'm going to show you a little demonstration of how fossils are formed in sedimentary rocks. Typically fossils are formed by plants or animals that have been buried quickly by mud or rocks. And today I'm going to show you how an imprint fossil is formed. So imprints are typically created by plants or animals. So I'm going to show you how an imprint fossil is created. I created a dough type substance here. It's made out of 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of salt, and 1/4 cup of water. And I mixed it together and created like a cookie dough type material and put it on some parchment paper. You can see that there in the camera. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have one of Wesley's dinosaurs here, and back in the prehistoric times when the dinosaurs were here, they would walk across the earth, and let's say this dinosaur stopped right here and created some footprints there. Let's see if I can get my camera so you can see it well. Right there, can you see his footprints? Okay. And if his footprints there would get covered up by mud or rock very quickly and gently, they could be preserved into a fossil. They'd get covered up, and layers and layers of that would put pressure onto this fossil, and eventually this soil here, our salt and flour mixture, would turn into rock, and then could be later dug up and studied by scientists. So we would be able to tell that this dinosaur has 4 toes that you can see on his foot. Okay. We can also tell the size of the dinosaur because of how far apart his legs are. These types of imprint fossils can also be created by plants. So Wesley found me a stick in the yard here, and I'm going to press it into this salt dough. Let's say that twig gets stuck there in the mud, and maybe it's removed later and it gets covered up by rocks and soil and is preserved later, and you can see that little imprint there.